Hi guys, welcome back to Just Gardens. It's been a while, winter's been here, but spring is upon us now, and more videos will be coming your way very, very soon. I hope you're all well, and the garden season's back. So, in this video, we are making a giant vegetable plot for this newly retired man. So we've got to take up a lot of turf. As you can see here, I'm just skimming the turf off with a spade. Cut it into sections and skim it off. It's a fairly large area, as you'll see at the end. It was hard work, but very rewarding. Also, all the materials that we use during this job are all reused, so we're not wasting anything. It's all getting put back to good use. The old man's on the wheelbarrow. Got to put him to work somehow. Now that the last of the turf is here, just get rid of this pile here, and it's time to give it a good deep dig. So we dig it in sections, we dig a trench and then we fill it back in, and we dig another trench and then fill it back in, and that's how you get the nice effect afterwards. As you can see, it was a fairly decent day. The sun was out, so it was a bit nippy, but the sun was out, so we'll take it. Happy days. Fill in the gaps with the turf. These boards are going in now to create a nice edge. We found these slabs under the turf, so we've cleaned them off and we've put them down as a walkway. On to the second video now. It's just a quick one. Public pathway, overgrown, we're edging it off. Neat and tidy. As you can see, you couldn't even see the curb here, so I've sliced the lot off, and it made a hell of a difference. Just get the old man now to tidy up this excess. Again, gotta put him to work. Quick blow around. If you've enjoyed these videos, guys, comment, like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.